Okay, boom. So I'm going to be unboxing the Nothing Ear 2s, but yeah, they already released these a little while ago, but now they're coming in a new smoky black color. So in addition to white, now you have black. So let's go ahead and get inside of this box. And where is the tab? The tab is right here. Let me go ahead and pull this like so and pull it all around. And let's just take off this lid, little QR code there to probably get some manuals and download the app. And there are the earbuds right there. But of course, I'm gonna make you wait a little bit. I'm gonna tease you if I can get it out. Let me just place it right there. All right, so inside of here, we do have a USB-C cable. So USB-C to USB-C. And then over here, I'm assuming are going to be the different ear tips. And so yeah, it looks like we have small and large inside of the box, and the medium should already be on the earbuds. And now let's get to the actual earbuds. Let me get them out of here if I can. All right, there we go. All right, so let me go ahead and get this wrapping off, and ooh. So yeah, they color match the case and everything. So it looks like the case has a little bit of a haze to it as well. So this looks really, really, really nice. So the case is transparent along with the earbuds being transparent. Now on the back, you will find the USB-C port and also this button right here that will allow you to turn on the pairing mode. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these open for the first time. And there we go. Look at that. Look how nice and clean it is. And so let me take out these earbuds, and this is a charging case, so you can see the little connector. So when you place the earbuds in the case, they'll start charging. Now let me go ahead and touch on the battery life real quick. So when you have A and C off, you're looking at a total of 6.3 hours of playtime when you just place them in your ears and just listen all the way through. But when you do combine it with the charging case, placing them in and out of the case, you're looking up to 36 hours of playback. But when you do switch on A and C, you're looking at around 4 hours of playback, just the earbuds out of the case. But when you combine it with the case, you're looking at 22.5 hours. And in addition to wired charging, these also support Qi wireless charging up to 2.5 watts. So you can place these on a wireless charging pad or even a phone that supports reverse wireless charging like the Nothing Phone 1, and go ahead and get it charged that way. And another little detail that just goes a long way is that the right earbud has a little red dot on it like this. And so now you know exactly where you need to place it inside of the case just by looking at the dot. And the same thing for the left earbud having that white dot. So a little touch, but makes it very easy to know which earbud goes where. But let me actually give you a close look at the earbuds instead of just looking at the case all day. So here are the earbuds here. So these have that signature transparent design from Nothing. And I love hearing Nothing talk about the process of just how they have to make sure the manufacturing and all that stuff, everything is just super clean so you don't get any specks of dust or anything inside of these earbuds. And yeah, they look really, really nice. And I'm sure there's a lot of little details that I probably can't even see with my old eyes here, but they still take pride in. So I love the design of these earbuds. And different from the white version here is that you have this kind of like main case, which is black, and then also the ear tips are black instead of being white like you get with the white version. So these do support Android Fast Pair, so I should be able to pair them just like that. You see now they just popped up here on my Android phone, and all I have to do is hit connect. Now at this point, if you don't already have the Nothing X app on your phone, I think it will prompt you to download it, but if it doesn't, just go ahead and go to the Play Store and download it. But because I'm using the Nothing Phone 1 right now, the app is already installed, so I'm ready to go. And now this will go ahead and scan, and there's my ear 2 sitting right there, and it gives you a quick tutorial showing you the touch controls on the stem of these earbuds. So single pinch, you can have it do play and pause and also hang up your calls. And then also you can double pinch to skip forward or decline a call. And then you can triple pinch to go ahead and skip back, and then pinch and hold to activate noise control or to turn it off. And all right, we don't need no more lessons here. So now we have it. It shows you the battery life of the case and also each individual earbud. And then also with these controls, you can go in here and you can also go ahead and customize these as well, in addition to what I just showed you. Now, in addition to the new color, they're also announcing a new update to the equalizer, and this will work with the white version of these ear 2s and also with the Nothing Stick. So this will come with a software update, but basically now in the equalizer, you have the simple, which was there before, which allows you to adjust 3 bands. And then now you have this new advanced mode. So now you have 8 bands to be able to adjust up and down. And it's cool that you can see the adjustment in real time up here. So it looks nice and looks cool, but I'm personally just going to be using the personal audio sound profile that these earbuds and the software can do. So it'll basically just kind of fine tune the audio for you automatically. I'm kind of lazy, so I kind of go with that one, but that works really well for me. But like I always say, more control is never a bad thing. So I'm glad that they added this. And like I said earlier, these ear 2s have already been out for a while, but I'm still going to touch on some of these other features like in-ear detection. And then also you have to personalize ANC, and this will allow the noise cancellation to be calibrated to you and your hearing sensitivity. And then also you do have low lag mode, and this is going to be good for when you are gaming, and you have high quality audio. So this will be working with with LHDC audio codec. And these also support dual connection, so you can have these connected to two devices at once, like your smartphone and your tablet, or your tablet and your computer. You get the drift. So yeah, this allows you to not have to go into the Bluetooth settings every time. You can just have it do it automatically. And then you do have an ear tip fit test. And so basically when I put these in my ears, like so, I now will be able to run this test and it'll let me know whether or not I have the right size ear tips for my ears. So let me go ahead and start this test. And would you look at that, now it's telling me that I need to try some different ear tips. So now I can go ahead and try different size ear tips, put them on, and then run this test again, and then just keep doing that until you find the right ones that work for you. And the last thing inside of the app is Find My Earbuds. So you'll be able to play a sound from the earbuds, and it's not gonna be super loud, but maybe it'll be loud enough for you to find them just in case you left them in your pocket or something. And now these earbuds do feel pretty good too. So they're pretty lightweight. So they only weigh 0.16 ounces. So definitely they don't weigh you down. And also I don't have a lot of pressure inside of my ears. It just feel really good. And the other nice thing about the ANC is that it does adapt to your environment. So basically, depending on how loud the room is, or whether you're walking outside next to a train, which actually don't do that. I don't recommend that. Basically, it'll be able to pick up on that sound and adjust the ANC up and down to give you the right fit. Oh, and as far as water and dust resistance, the earbuds are rated IP54 and the case is rated IP55. So sweat, a little bit of rain, no problem. Oh, and real quick, just to touch on the sound quality, I like them. That's very easy, right? But yeah, the low end, the bass is something that I always pay attention to because I listen to a lot of music that has a lot of bass. I like it to be nice and tight and clean, and that is the case on these ear twos. Now with these being $150, there is some competition at the $99 price tag of earbuds that do offer, ANC and transparency mode and some of the other things like that. But nothing does have their ear sticks, which do cost $99. And another new update for those that is also happening today is the fact that they are adding noise reduction to those. So you'll be able to go inside of the app. It's not actually ANC all the way, but it will be some type of way to help eliminate some of that background noise for those $99 earbuds. So that's nice to see too. But with that being said, I'm wrapping up my unboxing and first impressions of these Nothing Ear 2 Black editions here. So these are available right now, I think in a limited drop before I think they become fully available everywhere. So I'll drop a link down below in the description for these earbuds, but let me know what you think about these in the comments below. And like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.